Hey guys, welcome back to a new video from Swanky Snacks. I hope y'all are having a great day. In today's video, we are doing a cash collection in the past 2 weeks. We're going to go to 3 of my vending machine locations, 7 machines total, and we are going to count them. We're going to collect the money, we're going to count the money, and we are going to restock the machines. If you guys like this video, if you want to see more videos like that, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button for your boy Swanky. And let's get this show going.
Alright guys, we are here at my first location. It's probably up here a week ago. I'm usually up here at least once a week because these machines are always getting hit. Look at all the empty selections. We got our works cut out for us today. So let's get to work, guys. Let's go. We are trying some new products today. These sounded a little bit different, but good enough to try and sell them. But anyway, guys, let's speed this up and let's collect that money. Alright, time for the drink machine, guys. Alright guys, time to collect the money, and look at that stack for this past 2 weeks. Can't even grab it. Now let's collect the change. I literally just collected this, and look how much we've already made back already. At least another $20, $30 in change right there, maybe even 40. And now for the drink machine. There you have it, another decent stack. This one at least can take 5s and other bills, so hopefully there's more 5s in there. Put that to our collection box. Let's close the doors and let's get on out of here, guys. And in case anyone's wondering, there's only a couple quarters, so I just put them back into the coin mech. Machines look beautifully stocked, all filled up. I did forget to buy candy though, so that is why there are those 4 selections opened right there. I could have bought some candy, but I forgot to. Gotta go back to the store. But anyway, we are here at our second location, first machine, and I'm usually here at least once a week, sometimes 2 times a week. I'm debating on putting in a separate drink and snack machine because these machines just get hit so much. Comment down below if you think that's what I should do next. Dates. Good. Alright, machine is all stocked up. Gonna collect the money.
Money, money this, money, money that.
this somewhere safe. We're gonna count this up later. And for change, actually not too bad. I'm just gonna let it go though. Not too bad already. Head to the next machine, guys. All right, guys, we are at the second machine at this location. All right, let's fill this one up. Doesn't need too much filling, but we're gonna fill it up, collect the money, be on our way. Alright guys, time to collect the money. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, I already collected this one like last week, so I'm just collecting the rest of the bills today. So that's why there's only about 10 bucks here. There wasn't a whole lot of change, so that's it for this machine. Let's head to the third machine and the last one. Alright, for my final trick, we're going to take all this product. We are going to magically just throw it all in there, just like that. Boom, machine is fully stocked. Now we're here for the money. And look at this stack, guys. I know it's not cleanly in there, but it's still a good amount, and I couldn't be happier about it. Alright guys, time for the 6th and 7th final machines.
Hey, now, this was no one's fault.
Alright guys, we just collected the money from that location, and I thought I hit the record button but totally failed. So here's the snack machine money. This is probably the biggest stack I've gotten from this location so far since owning it, but remember, they're huge credit card peoples. And then this is the drink machine, guys. Like I said, probably the most cash I've collected from this location so far altogether. Alright, let's go back and count all this money up, guys. Let's go. Alright guys, we just collected all the money. Time to count it up. I did have one lady ask me if I had change for 20, so that is why this 20 is in here. I already counted or found all my 5s. They're right here. Now I want everyone to take a guess on how much you think this is right here, and I'm going to do the same thing. It's a pretty big stack. And if I had to guess, I'm going to try and do batches here. I'm even going to try and do this too on the counter, but I'm going to go with like 100. We'll go with 200. 3, 4, 5. Let's go with 6. I'm gonna go with I'm gonna say we almost collected $1,000 in cash on this run. All right, let's count it up, guys. Let's see how much we made. All right.
Damn, let's go. So these are my 5s, just so everybody knows. These are my 5s. Five times 34 seems to be the magic number, is $170. So in total, we have collected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 170, 770 right now, plus. So on top of 770 cash, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 72. We've collected $842 cash in the last 2 weeks from my vending machine business. And that is actually not including the credit card readers at all. So that is all just cash. That's incredible, guys. That's awesome. We almost broke 1,000, guys. That'll be the goal next time. If you guys like this video, if you guys want to see more videos like this, check out my page. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. All right, guys. I hope you have a good rest of the day. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next video. See you guys later.